What's up guys, it's me Ayesha and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be very special for me as you have already read the title. It's vintage makeup look. I just love vintage. I love everything about vintage. So without wasting any further time, let's start it. Starting with the Maybelline primer. For base, my Maybelline foundation. Concealer to cover up my dark circles. I'm just using a little bit as I don't have so much dark circles. Now I'm using a concealer to brighten up my eyelids. Now with this beauty eyeshadow palette, I'll apply a dark tone shade on my cut crease. Now eyeliner. I'm going to draw a very smooth, precise line.
Just a small wing. Same on the other one.
For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Sensational Mascara. I'm using the Swiss Beauty Ultra Blush palette for contouring. Same for my brows.
Now I'm using the Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Peach Blossom as a blush.
I'm feeling high.
You can also use this lipstick on your lips. Or a cherry red lipstick. So that's it for today. I hope you guys like this video. If you like, give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. See you later. Bye bye.